Hello fellow beach adventurers, my name is Kris and this is Beach Adventures with Kris. But today is a special day, not because it is June 2nd, a wonderful sunny Monday with some clouds in the sky, but also because it is my first beach adventure with my new GoPro Hero 13 Black, but in a white polar edition. So those of you that have been watching my beach adventures, let me know if the video quality is better now with the new camera, or if the audio is also better. Well, we have some wind today, so let's not hope too much for a better audio. But I am on yet another spot in the beautiful nature of Stockholm, Sweden, and compared to yesterday, I am just today on the other side. So yesterday I was over there, that is the rocky part of Stockholmsbadet, located in Huddinge municipality. And today I am on the other side, because yesterday I saw this side from that end and I said maybe I will come here someday, and that day has come today. Actually, I have intended to go to the sea in Tyresö somewhere for around 25 kilometers one way, but I have seen that it is cloudy on the way here with some wind, so my cube has only taken me to here in 9 kilometers exactly, which is exactly the same like to the other side, but through different roads, obviously, because this lake is quite big, Lake Drevviken. And they also said that I'm going to swim from here to the other side and back someday, but not today, maybe some other time. So I have been waiting actually for an hour to get some sun, but there will be clouds anyway, so I just need to go with the flow and show you the reality, how the day can be in Stockholm. Even though it is 18 degrees Celsius in the air, it's quite chilly with the wind, I'm not gonna lie. And maybe I should have chosen some place where there is some, it's shielded by the wind. Let me show you around, as I am actually looking now at my new GoPro, and it is polar white, as you have seen in the cover of this video. So now I will need to write to the GoPro team to make also a white handle, because now it looks a bit strange with the black handle that I have now. But yeah, limited edition polar white Hero 13. It was about time. I think it has been now 2 years since I have had my GoPro, so it was time for upgrade. And I just measured also the temperature in the water. It is 15 degrees Celsius, 1 degree colder than yesterday, and I'm not sure really why. I have measured 16 on the other side yesterday, but it was also a warmer day yesterday. This is Orhem, right here in the forest, and quite nice indeed. Just the wind that makes things a bit tougher for me to enjoy fully. And now the wind is terrible. But on the bright side, I will get home just in time to go for a body pump class today that starts at 6:30, so I'm gonna build some more muscles. Actually, I have gotten a scale, smart scale, a few days ago, and it told me that my body is 30 years old. I'm actually 34, soon turning 35, so my body has less age than my actual age. And also it told me that I need to lose 1 kilo of fat. So I have been weighing 73.8 recently, and I'm 184 centimeters long, and it told me that I need to be 72.8, which I don't think that I should be that much, as in theory I think that for my body it should be minus 110 from my height. So I think I'm just about right weight. I don't think I have 1 kilo fat to lose, right? So anyway, it told me that I'm fit, which is obvious, but I really like that it told me that my body is 30 years old. It's a Xiaomi, it's a Chinese scale, so maybe it has Chinese standards. As people usually weigh a lot less in China compared to Europe and USA, obviously. Anyway, enough chit-chatting. I'm just so happy that I have my new GoPro and give it out for a first spin in the water. Let's see if it's gonna survive its first drowning in the water. Quite chilly, so let's then go and not wait any longer and get a swim in Lake Drevviken. The wind is crazy. The wind is crazy indeed. Okay, ready, set, and go! The premiere, the first swim for my GoPro Hero 13 here in Orhem on this waterfall Monday. I can already see that the video quality is much better. So with this wind that is a bit too heavy, I'm gonna swim a bit more because the water is cozy indeed. But let's wrap up, as I need to head back home obviously, because the sun probably won't be appearing that much today. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. Make sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, or become a member of my channel if you want to. That is optional. So cheers, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.